Before you click on one more how to make money online video, hear me out. I know exactly where you're at because I was sitting in that same spot not too long ago. I come from a low middle class family. My dad was a nurse, my mom a nursing assistant, and I was watching video after video on how to make money online while staying completely broke. When I was only 11 years old, I typed how to get rich into the YouTube search bar. That's when I discovered you could start an online business and sell info products. And that single search changed the entire trajectory of my life. Fast forward to today, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. I had my first $1,000 day when I was 21 years old, and at 22, I had my first $2,600 day. And look, I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you this to show you I started from zero just like you. I didn't have some trust fund. I didn't have rich parents giving me startup capital. My parents were nurses. I didn't have any connections. I grew up in a small town, less than 10,000 people, very low income. The only thing I did have was the determination to never give up until I became rich. Look, there's nothing wrong with watching how to make money online videos. These videos are changing the way you think about money, and that's very powerful. Most likely, you didn't grow up around wealthy, entrepreneurial people. I didn't either. I'm from the lower tier of the middle class. You probably grew up around people working 9-to-5 jobs, complaining about money, stressed about bills, living paycheck to paycheck. You've essentially had nobody around you showing you the path to freedom and real wealth. So these videos, they're opening your eyes to what's possible. They're showing you there's another way to live, a better way. And that's the good part. But here is where I need you to be brutally honest with yourself. How long has it been since you first started wanting to build a business? Be real with yourself right now. Has it been 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years? I've personally spoken on Zoom calls with over 300 people just like you. I'm talking about people who wanted to start a profitable online business to reclaim their freedom. And guess what? For most of them, it's been years since they've wanted to make money online. Maybe you've dabbled in a few things before. Maybe you tried dropshipping and you lost money on Facebook ads. Maybe you got into crypto and watched your investment disappear. Maybe you tried affiliate marketing and made like $12 in 6 months. You've been bouncing around from model to model, losing time and money. And you're starting to think, maybe this whole entrepreneurship thing isn't for you. But listen to me carefully. It's not your fault that those business models didn't work out. A lot of these models are broken, especially for beginners. That's what I'm trying to really get people to understand on this channel. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, said, "It doesn't matter how hard you row, it matters what boat you're in." I really love this quote because it sums up my philosophy about wealth creation. You can be the guy trying out every shitty business model and never making any money, or you can pick the easiest, leanest business models and make bank with 1/10 of the effort. But sadly, most people fall for shiny looking models like dropshipping and never take the time to analyze them on a fundamental basis to realize they're trash with low profit and insanely high competition. I tried all those same business models and I never made any real profit until I switched to selling high-ticket consulting. And yes, I did this even as a complete beginner with no previous experience. You don't need to be some expert with 10 years of experience and 17 qualifications. In fact, oftentimes those people with tons of degrees and qualifications, they're overqualified and underpaid in traditional jobs. You just need to be willing to learn and adapt, figure things out as you go, and you just need to be a few steps ahead of your ideal client. That's it. That's the real secret. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know more than the person you're helping. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, something else I had to learn the hard way is that passive content consumption is a trap, and you're caught in it right now. You're sitting there watching video after video on how to make money online, thinking that somehow this is bringing you closer to your goals. You're hoping that when you click on the next video, some magical secret will be revealed to you. You're waiting for that moment where suddenly everything clicks inside your brain and you discover some elite knowledge that's gonna make you rich instantly. But let me tell you what's really happening beneath the surface. Deep down, you know that starting a business is risky. You know it's challenging. You know it's going to require sacrifice. You're gonna have to do things you've never done before. You're gonna have to talk to strangers. You're gonna have to put yourself out there. You're gonna have to risk looking stupid. You're gonna have to invest money that you might lose. And you don't want to risk it because your brain is trying to protect you. Your brain is very clever. It's adapted over thousands of years to make sure you survive. It wants to avoid the unknown because it fears it. The unknown could mean danger, failure, or even worse, pain. So instead of going into the trenches and doing the actual work of starting a business, instead of investing in yourself and taking that scary first step, your brain feeds you this comfortable lie. It tells you, oh, let's just watch one more video. We need more information first. It feels productive. It feels safe. But you're not actually moving forward. You're just staying comfortable in your current situation. I genuinely hate it when people don't start now because they think it will be easier or it will somehow get better in the future. Look, buddy, life doesn't get any better. It only gets worse. Each year that goes by, while you're stuck in a job that you hate, or at minimum, a job you tolerate because it pays the bills, is a year. You're getting closer to death without having done any of the things that really matter to you. Just think about that for a second. You get one life. One shot at this, and you're spending it sitting in some office or warehouse, doing work you don't care about for people you don't respect, making just enough money to survive, but not enough to actually live. Is this really how you want to spend your most precious resource, your time? Is this the kind of character you want to play in your story? The person who was too afraid to take risks? Who gave into excuses instead of the kind of person who went above and beyond and did whatever it took to win? The worst thing that can happen to you is waiting until retirement to live your life. You know what retirement looks like for most people? You're 65 years old, your body's falling apart, you don't have the energy you used to, and you finally have time, but you're too tired to enjoy it. That's the trap. The system promises you that if you just work hard for 40 years, sacrifice your youth, sacrifice your energy, sacrifice your time with your family, then maybe you'll enjoy life when you're old, when you're about to die. Well, that is a fucking scam. Don't fall for it. Now, some people are going to hate me for saying this, but somebody needs to say it. All your excuses are lies you're telling yourself. You're saying you don't have enough knowledge to start a business. But can't you work with a mentor to figure it out? Can't you take a course? Can't you join a community of people who do the same thing? You're saying it's better to start next month, next year, when the timing's right, when you have more money saved up, when the market's better, when you feel more ready. So let me ask you this. Are you fine on losing out on tens of thousands of dollars every single month while you sit there waiting for the perfect moment? Because that's what you're doing. Every month you wait is potentially $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 you're not making. All of your life you've been taught it's okay to wait. It's okay to take your time. It's okay to prepare more. But it's not okay. You don't have time. Time is the only resource you can never get back. And if right now you're watching this and you're in your 20s, listen to me very, very carefully. Now is the time to go hard for the things you want because you don't have the responsibility of taking care of a spouse or kids yet. You can take risks right now that you won't be able to take in 5 years. You can work 16-hour days right now. You can sleep on someone's couch right now. You can invest your last $1,000 into your business right now. Do you know what happens when you're 35 with 2 kids and a mortgage? It's 1,000 times more difficult to take that kind of risk, so stop waiting. Look, if you're frequently watching my videos, then I know you're someone with more ambition than the common mortal. You're not okay with settling for an average job that underpays you and waiting for retirement to finally enjoy your life. You want money now, and you want to enjoy your life now, and you're damn right. The brutal truth that nobody wants to admit is that everybody wants the reward, but nobody wants the hard work, the risks, and the sacrifice. Everybody wants to drive a fancy car. Everybody wants to travel wherever they want, whenever they want. Everybody wants to have so much money they can retire their entire family. But nobody wants to wake up at 6 in the morning and work until 8 or 9 p.m. for 5 years straight to make it happen. Nobody wants to skip the fun parties. Nobody wants to miss the hangouts with friends. Nobody wants to be the weird one who's always working while everyone else is having fun. I'll be straight with you. You either want to be successful or you don't, and your actions will speak louder than your words ever could. Wanting a luxury life doesn't make you special because literally everybody wants that. Everybody wants to be rich. Working hard for it and not giving up when things get difficult, when you face rejection, when you lose money, when people doubt you, when you doubt yourself, that is what makes you special. That is what separates the people who actually make it from the people who just talk about it. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. After you finish watching this video, I want you to close YouTube. Stop watching videos. You have enough information. You know what you need to do. The problem isn't that you don't know enough. The problem is that you're not doing anything with what you already know. And if you don't, then work with someone who's figured it out before. Check out the link in the description if you want my help. Make a decision right now about what business model you're going to focus on. I highly recommend high-ticket consulting because it's the fastest path to real money for beginners. But whatever you choose, commit to it for at least 6 to 12 months. No bouncing around, no more shiny object syndrome, because that is how you print money, by focusing on one thing long enough to get awesome at it. Then take one action today. Not tomorrow, today. Send one outreach message, record one piece of content, research one potential client, book a call with a mentor. Just do one thing that moves you forward, because action creates momentum and momentum creates results. You've been stuck in analysis paralysis, consuming content without creating anything. It's time to flip that script. Your future self is watching your current choices. 5 years from now, you're either going to be looking back at this moment as the turning point where everything changed, or you're going to look back with regret, wishing you had started today. As always, it's up to you. If you want me to help you build a profitable online business to reach financial freedom as quickly as possible, even with limited time and money, check out the free training I made for you in the description below. And you can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team. We'll help you implement everything step by step and give you a custom strategy to get your first sales as quickly as possible. But be quick, we've got very limited spots. With that said, I will see you on the other side.